Oh yeah, you already see what's going on in that tunnel over there. We got mad people out here tonight. But we're just gonna film a chill little car vlog. And it's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good night for sure. Yes, look, he's bugging in there with the figure eights right now. Guys, I'm so sorry, but honestly, I don't know if I can stand outside tonight. It's freezing. It's like 14 degrees tonight. This is probably one of the coldest nights. This is 100% one of the coldest nights of the year so far. I think the lowest we've hit is like maybe 25, but 14 degrees is another freaking level right now. I'm about to go spin it just to be in the car. I'm gonna go do a donut, just so I can get some heat. Watch out!
Hey, what you got?
He ain't come to play, just know that. Oh my God.
Yo, when you fucking out here, you fucking go crazy, bro. Huh?
Oh damn, yo, not the Jordans. But we have to spin it one time. Yes, sir. Damn, he was stupid close to that tire. I don't even know how people are spinning out there. It's freezing, bruh. There's no way. I don't even think it's 14 degrees. My face hurts. I was outside 5 minutes. My face hurts. My freaking hands hurt. Everything hurts. Let me check. Okay, so it says it's 25, but it says it feels like 12. Feels like freaking 12. You guys can't see it because this camera's on a BS, but it says 12 right there. You kind of see it, but it's too cold. I can't do this. I'm going to Florida next week. Comment below some video ideas that you guys want to see in Florida, because I'm disappearing. I don't want to be here no more. I'm not staying here. I can't do it. I can't do it. So come on, I gotta go to Florida. So give me some ideas. Drop them down below. Some more video ideas, you know. Why is everybody running? Everybody's running. Oh, they're not running. Thought the cops pulled up. I was about to say. Everybody's running for no reason. But yeah, guys, if you want to check out my Discord, all you got to do, first link in the description, go check out the Discord. You already know the vibes. We'll just run that up. Get a bunch of people in the Discord. We'll be doing giveaways and stuff in there very soon. So, yeah, make sure you go check it out. Okay, off to spot 3 right now. These cars are all bugging. There's somebody on the opposite side of the street. They're all just on the opposite side of the street with the car. She's probably scared. Or he, whatever it is, probably scared as hell. That's okay. She probably thinks it's a one-way. Alright, off to the next spot. Alright, we just got to spot 2 right now. Everybody's running saying there's cops, but where's the cops at? Where's the cops? Still haven't seen the cops. We're going to the last spot right now. Hopefully something crazy happens at the last spot. Let's go. Hey, now I see the cop lights. Finally. Still can barely even see them. There they go. Alright, shit just got real crazy at this last spot right now. Got the whip. But shit just got really crazy. They're bugging in there. You can't even see. There's like 15 cars spinning it. 2 back there, 1 right here. 3-car tandem right now, yo. 4 cars, oh. Yo, they're bugging. Yeah, this spot is crazy. This way too cold. This man's bugging. He's bugging. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but let's go. We dead ass took over this entire freaking place. There's so many cars here. Oh yeah, Tucky just pulled up. Yes, sir. Okay. Uh-oh, helicopters ran down. 1, 2, they're trying to block us in. Oh no, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. Yeah, we gotta get the hell out of here. Let's go. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. I'm not getting blocked in and getting tickets again. Hell no, not for a second time. We out of here. Let me take this jacket off. They're on everybody's ass right now. Yo. We got to go. Swerving through everybody. See you guys. You ain't catching me today. Oh man, he's running through checking everybody's cars right now. This is not good. Go this way. He's checking everybody's cars right now, bro. What is he looking for? Inspection? Cause I don't got no damn inspection sticker. If he's looking for inspection, that's not gonna be good for me. But let's see a burnout. You gotta go, you do it. Alright, we gotta get the hell out of here.